Today I'm going to show you how to install the hondata software and how to install a base map to a '09 Honda Civic SI. First, you're going to go on hondata.com. After that, you go to software. flashpro Pro Manager. Then you click on downloads. After downloads, it will say download flashpro Manager software. Then you just click the button, the blue button that says here. After that, go to download flashpro Manager, and all you do just press download. It will download, save it if you want, and then just press run it. Once you press run, it's gonna check for update, and then just click next. If there's no update, press I agree, press next. This is where you're gonna save your flashpro. Just put next. This is the problem that I've been having. If I click on 06 to 11 US and Canada, for some reason it doesn't let me, it gives me an error. So all I have to do is click every single one model that I have, and then I press next. For some reason it gives me that error. I don't know why. So just press next, and that's about it. Next, install, and you just wait until it installs, which is pretty quick. It's not that hard. And press finish. Accept it, and you could close the window on the right. So, and right here, this is the flashpro Manager. All you do is just close every single window. Every single window is for your tuner. If you know how to tune it, then keep it. If you can't, then just leave it for your tuner. Press new calibration. This is calibration, every single calibration for base maps, for your base maps. So that's about it. If you don't have the parts, then you just have to choose from one of them, and then later on you could choose to get a tune, a professional tune, if you want to call it like that. So for me, in my opinion, what I have in my car is the engine cold air intake, and basically that's all I have on it right now. Basically the whole engine is stock as of right now. If you don't have anything, all you have to choose is complete stock and tuned. And all you do is you click on it and you press OK. That go to calibration, and the calibration map, things will come out. You could adjust your VTEC from low to upper. You could even adjust your fuel management, your rev limiter, which is the launch control that you could actually adjust. Now the VTEC, I have it at 4,350. You can actually lower it down, or you can actually push it up if you feel like it. So it's up to you if you want to do it. That is up to you. So yeah. So next, for your red limiter. For your red limiter is the red line. I have it at 8,600 and 600. And the recovery is at 8,400. I didn't really mess with it, and I don't really want to mess with it because I don't want to blow my motor or anything. For launch control, you set it up at 5,000. It's adjustable, so it really doesn't matter if you put it at 6,000, if you do it at 3,000. Later on, I'll show you how you can adjust it using your cruise control buttons. So then you click X. Then you go to upload that button, and just hold on for like a few seconds. That's all it takes, and then you're all done. The calibration's in your flashpro, and that's it. After you put the calibration in, all you can actually do is disconnect it. You can disconnect from here. All you need to get is this. And that's it. Then the next step is taking it outside and putting it in your car. Now that you have it programmed, all you have to do is connect this plug into your OBD2 plug, which is on this side right here. You just plug it in, and yeah, let me just plug it in a come back. Now that you have it plugged in, you insert the key in where I think it's accessories, or the second one, the third one, where all the lights turn on, all the lights, and then your flashpro, that the power light, the LED, is gonna be on. That one's gonna be flashing sometimes, which is alright. To put the calibration in, you have to press and hold it for probably 2 seconds or so, that program button. The process is programming light is gonna come on. Then your temperature gauge is gonna disappear. Your check engine is gonna come on, and your RPMs is gonna climb. After that, your program light will start flashing. So it's on, and all we do is just wait until that actually reaches to 9. I think it's to 8. When it's almost done, that will start flashing. That will stay, and your temperature gauge will turn on. Then the program will stop. Programming light will stop flashing. And yeah, so when that finishes flashing, you could either wait for a few minutes, like 1-2 minutes, to make sure that it did get programmed. But once that flashes and that stops going up and your temperature gauge turns on, you're good, at least in my opinion. So then your next step is to turn it on, and with luck, if you did right, it will turn on. So yeah, that's about it. So this is the part that I was going to show you that has to do with launch control. To adjust it, you have to put the clutch in, hold this button, make sure that it's at 5,000, and every time you click the down button, it goes by 100. It goes down by 100. Let me show you. See, you click it once, it goes 100. Click it twice, 300, 400, 500. So in this case, the way I have it set up, is at 3,000 RPM. So yeah, we'll be back whenever I adjust it. Alright, so now that I have it adjusted, all you have to do is you put the clutch in and then hold the cancel button. You press the cancel button and it automatically goes to 3,000. Now, to activate it when you're driving it, you have to hold the clutch in. To activate it, hold the clutch in, then put gas. And it'll stay right there. Well, I think that's, oh yeah, another thing that it has is the air ratio thing. For that, your cruise control button has to be off, and then right here, press the bottom button, it will stay on. It will show you what's the air ratio right now. Press gas. Press gas. It will return. So if you have any questions, that's the new update of it. I don't know what was the other update for it, but so far it's just this that I know of. Alright guys, well, peace out. Hopefully you guys have a good day. Press the like if it helps, the dislike if it didn't help. And if I mess up in the audio a lot, then you have to understand this is my first YouTube video, and I never really wrote anything for it, so yeah. Alright, thank you for watching. Hopefully this helped a lot, and peace out.